Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be doing my fifth, I believe, weekly video. I'm going to be going over some few names for this week's moves, and I'm sorry about not uploading this video over the weekend because I just wanted to wait and see how today was going to be on the market, and it seemed like we did do good today. So we also did breakout on the wedge on SPY futures, which is really good. Right here, if you go over here and see, you can see that we broke out a downtrend channel on the wedge, and we're also struggling to break my 3397.5 resistance right here on the daily. Which we also need to get above just to see that we can test that. But right now we're building squeeze on the daily chart right here on the right side, and 4 hour just fired it a couple hours ago, which is really good for us right here. But hopefully we can get above that 3397 resistance on the daily, and if we can see 342.1 next, which is a major resistance we have right here. And if we do, we can't see 350 soon, but I will update my price targets once we get above this 342.1 resistance. But right now, we're looking good so far. Everything looks good. Apple looks good. A lot of tech looks good. Netflix, Amazon, back to 3300s. Apple, Facebook, Nvidia, and AMD, everything. But right now, we're going to start with the names that I posted earlier, but I want to get into more detail. So, this one I found on my breakout alert right here, but did not do as I expected. But right now, we're looking good so far on Starbucks. But right now, we're setting up a ascending triangle breakout currently. And right now we're above it, which is good because we closed above my 88.35 resistance on the breakout daily, and we closed at 88.47. But hopefully we can get a little bit of green overnight on pre-market and keep pushing up higher, at least around 89 tomorrow overnight. And if we can hold this at 88.35 support, we can see 90.53, 93.07 next. And it looks really good because of how we bounced off the SMA 20. We had some volume coming in on the buy side. We have low short interest, and we have a higher high right here, higher low basically, on Starbucks right here, ever since we bounced off right here on the support. So, what I've been looking at on the monthly chart, it looks like Starbucks can be a good long-term investment right here. And it's one of the stocks that are probably really benefited by the lockdowns around the nation or around the world, because lockdowns and seeing if people probably go to Starbucks for some food or something, who knows. But right now I like Starbucks setup on the monthly chart because we're setting up a squeeze right here, and we also reversed off right here on the bottom on the SMA 100 on the monthly chart when that COVID came. But if we can get about this 94.9, we can go long right here. But right now I'm in no position on the shares, just my calls right now. But hopefully we can get a break above this 88.35 confirmed, and we'll push higher. Right now bullish on this one, but if we don't break out above this confirmed, we can reject back a little bit and see 87.11, but hopefully we can hold this level, because if we don't, I will cut my calls down here, because if this falls, then we can see either 85-ish or we can see like 84 back on the support right here on the ascending triangle. But right now I'm bullish right here. Market is bullish. I'm looking forward to higher highs on this one. Next one is going to be AMD, which I picked up earlier this morning. Before close. This one finally, I posted a couple weeks ago or last week that this one was going to break out of this falling wedge right here and potentially see 87 soon, which it almost did today because of a lot of breakouts today. We did have a daily squeeze on AMD last Friday and Thursday, and today fired it. And key level resistance was 84.85 right here on AMD, which we actually got above and closed above. Right now, semiconductors are really bullish right now, especially AMD for long term. I will get into that soon on the video. A very nice candle on AMD with very, very low short interest right here. Hopefully we can see 87 next, because on the weekly right here, we're currently in that weekly range, which is 84, 85, and 87. But if we can get a close above this 84, 85, we can see a nice breakout for long term for potentially 92.53, which is nearing all-time high. And if we can see this 92.53 and break that, we can see all-time highs. Right now we're focused on this area right here, and currently bullish on this one. Now that we're breaking above this 84, 85 resistance, tomorrow we should see 87. Then above that, we should see a fast move right here between this whole gap right here. Yeah, so bullish on this one also. Picked up calls on this one before close. Let's see what the next one is. Square. It's my favorite one from last month, and already this month, this one popped huge today. I expected this one to pop. Now that we had a ascending wedge right here from long term all the way back from beginning of this year, like just before the COVID drop. Right here, I have an uptrend right here, and we do have some resistance around this area, 184, 185 ish. Hopefully we can see that around open, so I can sell my calls and not get screwed by getting rejected at this resistance. But if we do break above this ascending wedge as support and close above it with an hourly close or 4 hour, we can see new highs, 188 and 200 plus soon. But right now we're focused on this area. Nice breakout, good volume coming in today, which you can see right here. We had a nice volume of 16 million right here today, 16.6 million. RSI's new higher high, not all-time highs, but right here, right now in this uptrend right here, new higher highs, getting into the overbought area, which is a little bit worrying. But hopefully we don't pull back here. But only bullish once we get above this resistance and act as support. But right now I'm just anticipating a tiny move to 185 area, so I can sell my calls and wait for next move. Hopefully we will just reject back down here, come back down here in the 155 area and come back up all the way, which takes too long. But hopefully we just continue on back above 200 plus soon. Right now, still bullish on this one. Yeah, if we can hold about this 181.52, we may see 188 this week. But I don't think that we can get above this, because this is a major resistance that we've been rejected from every time on the ascending wedge right here, or uptrend on this line. Yeah, so neutral on this one, but we'll see what happens. Next one is going to be Apple. This one had a good day today, 3% up, I believe. Yeah, 3.88%. Let's see what we have here. So we have a little wedge right here. We broke out of this. I mean, we bounced off my SMA 20 and SMA 50. We also held my 113.9 support, setting up a daily squeeze, which is signaling a possible big move soon. And right now we're looking like we can push towards my 119.15 resistance. And then if we can actually get above that, which is a major resistance, we can see 124.5 soon, and above that we can see 130 soon. But right now focus on this area. Nice bounce off the SMAs, especially now being that it's all above all SMAs, which is really good for Apple especially. Also on this one, I don't have any doubt for a push towards the highs. Yeah, so next one, reversal still in converging, but hopefully we will just reject from down here, but I'm still bullish on this one. Next one is going to be CRWD, CrowdStrike. Weak breakout today, but we didn't actually break out finally. After like 3 days of trying to break it, I believe. 2 days. But right now we broke above it, like I anticipated. This was also on the weekly breakout right here. What do we have in the 4 hour? No, we don't. Okay, so if all we need is some volume to kick in right here on this breakout, and we can easily see 153.10. But right now, I'm expecting that we can hold this 143.9 as support now. And we also did get a price target raise. I believe it was like 179 or something. I can't remember. But Goldman Sachs raised the price target. Good outlook for the weekly and daily. So I like this chart right here. Looking for 153.10. Maybe even this week, I believe. Yeah, so bullish on this one. We'll see what happens tomorrow. This one. LBGO. Good one today. This one broke out of my pennant right here today. Second day above 140.35 breakout level. The volume is a little bit concerning, which is not good because we're decreasing, but all we need is some volume to kick in and we can see 150 sooner. But right now we're still on the way to 150 target right here, and if we can break this 150, we can see 161.12, 171.17 future. But right now we're still on the breakout zone. I'm not bearish on this at all. Still bullish, but the volume, it just needs to kick in. That's it. That's it. So LVGO's done right there. Next one is going to be NVIDIA. This one, not much of a crazy one yet because we still need to get above that 552.66 breakout level, which is when I want it to get above because that is my safe zone. Because of how we can break out of this wedge right here. So far, all we need is above this breakout right here, this resistance on the wedge, and above 552.66, and we can easily see a fast move towards 573.86 and 589. And if we can actually break above this all-time high, we can see 609.05. And today fired the daily squeeze, which is really good for NVIDIA, especially on especially what's happening with the markets, how pretty much the whole market just went green after the Trump news. But right now we're looking very good. I'm still bullish on this one. We also have a long-term potential for NVIDIA right here, which I'll show you guys right here. Let me see where I found that. I don't think I saved my drawings, but I'm going to draw it again. I believe it's around here. It's alright. Right here, yeah, okay, so right here we're looking at possible long-term uptrend channel right here. And right here we could possibly see 700 soon or 800, who knows, but right now it looks very, very strong on this long-term uptrend channel right here on NVIDIA. And I don't doubt it because NVIDIA is also one of the biggest companies out here besides AMD. This is not a buying device or anything, but this is potential right here. We could see way above 700 soon on this one. But right now, we're not looking to buy long term on this one because of elections. But right now, we're just day trading, swinging this one. After elections, we'll see what we can do with this one. And we'll see 700s and 800s soon. But right now, this is just a wild find right here on NVIDIA. That's it for the video, guys. I'll see you guys next video. I hope this helps you guys understand more on what I'm seeing for this week on most of the tickers I posted, but more detail. I will post one more analysis after this video for you guys, and I'll see you guys next video. Thank you for watching.